अंकुशिनी
अंकुशिनी अंकुशिनी
महाकामेश्वरी
महाकामेश्वरी महाकामेश्वरी
महावज्रेश्वरी
महावज्रेश्वरी महावज्रेश्वरी
महाभगमालिनी
महाभगमालिनी महाभगमालिनी
सर्वसिद्धिप्रदचक्रस्वामिनी
सर्वसिद्धिप्रदचक्रस्वामिनी सर्वसिद्धिप्रदचक्रस्वामिनी
अतिरहस्ययोगिनी
अतिरहस्ययोगिनी अतिरहस्ययोगिनी
श्री श्री महाभट्टारिके
श्री श्री महाभट्टारिके श्री श्री महाभट्टारिके.
How much knowledge I have given? Veda, Itihasa, Puranas, Manusmritis. I sent Guru to you. I myself appeared before you in the form of Sansara, talked to you many times through your child. You didn't get my point. You're going in the wrong direction. It is time for me, like a Mahout is controlling the elephant, which is not listening to the Mahout. That Mahout tries to control this Jiva. And the only difference between that Mahout and this Mahout is this Mahout is only using the force. His aim is to just control. But that mother uses Ankusha to put that drop of nectar, the drop of knowledge, Mahatattvam in you and correct you and push you towards the right path. This Ankushini word has to be viewed from two angles. One is the angle from the mother. The other angle is the Jiva also. If the Jiva is constantly thinking about one entity, he gets raga. And if it doesn't fulfill his desire, raga develops into krodha. And in that krodha, the Jiva wants to hurt the other person. Unfortunately, krodha, dvesha, patana. What happens is, the other Jiva, which is also a form of Goddess Mother, unable to face this anger, prays to Mother, Amma, I'm not having power to face this person. If at all I have Janma, give me that power to repay this hurt which that person is causing to me. So that Krodha continues and the karma continues. It's an infinite cycle. That's why it's called Krom, Sarvastambhanaya Namaha. Krom is a bijakshara for Kali. Kram, Kreem, Krum, Krom. Kali. Kali is for greater purpose. But this person is using the same Krodha, which will act as a hurdle for his material and spiritual growth. So even after going to the seventh avarna, the game is not over. Any time, Paramapada Sopana Patam, snakes and ladders, you know that 9900 or somewhere, the big snake will be there. That's why we have to be always in Jagarana. Not only Shivaratri, Vaikunta Ekadashi, always. Any incident you need to observe. Maybe it is a test for me. If everything is going fine, that is when you have to be very careful because you'll be carried away by the Maya. Next comes Mahakameshwari. So all the Ayudhas are over. Banini, Chapini, Pashini, Ankushini. Now, you enter the eighth avarna, where three great mothers show their power. Mahakameshwari. Kama means desire. Normal desire, Kameshwari. But who is she? Mahakameshwari, A karma which is connected to Mahatattvam, the greatest cause, the greatest sankalpa of the Parabrahma, which has caused this entire creation. That is why in Navavarana Puja, at this point, the mantra will be Aim Hrim Srim Hasraim Hasaraklim Hasarasau Kaila Hrim Vamarajoguna Ichha Shakti Kameshwari Sri Padukam Pujyami Tarpayami Namaha. Vama, left. Left is Mother Maya. Very difficult to come out. Vama Rajoguna. Always the thought pushes you to action, action-oriented thought. Once the thought comes, it's very difficult to keep quiet. Very difficult. So, Vamarajogana Ichhashakti Kameshwari Sri Padukam Pujyam. When the Ichha is controlled, Svecha comes to you. When the thought is controlled, freedom is to you. Now, I'm not having freedom because always I'm going behind one thought or other. But I forgot to understand that every thought is a test from the greatest source, universal mother, who is asking through the thought, you want me or this? If you want this to be fulfilled, I'll fulfill. Another one comes. I'll fulfill. Another one comes. Do you want to spend the whole life in this Ichha, Jnana, Kriya? Or you want me, who has everything? When you are connected to me, Sarvopadi Vinimukta Sadashiva Pativrata. These are all upadhis which push you towards the pain. I am also your upadhi, greatest upadhi. I will make you Sadashiva, the observer, the witness always. That's when you understand the tattvam of Mahakameshwari, you will do the action without expectation. Purposeless action, reasonless joy is divinity. In your sankalpa, no more gotra, no more nama, no more falasruti. Putra potra viudyadham, kashyavasa gotram, no more. Lalita Parameshwari Prityartham Pujam Karishye. That is when you understand, I don't need to ask. I just do this action for the pleasure of that universal mother, which creates abundant pleasure in me. This pleasure, when I am looking at the normal menial things, it may be temporary pleasure, but always followed by dukkha. Sarva kama prade, sarva dukkha vimochani. Don't forget. So, Mahakameshwari. Then, Mahavajreshwari. Vajra is diamond. If you look at this mantra in Navavarna Puja, Aim Hrim Srim Hasraim Hasaraklim Hasarasau Hasakahalakrim Jeshta Saptogana Jnana Shakti Mahavajreshwari Sri Padukam Pujyami Tarpayami Namaha. What is the strongest thing? Jnana. Jnana makes you stronger. What is the hardness of diamond in the hardness scale? 7. 7. It connects you to the Sahasrara. When you are at that level, you'll be a jnani. You'll be a just drashta. There are 3 awareness. One is brashta. The normal jiva goes behind the thought. You know, in all the cosmopolitan cities, you see the people take their dogs for a walk. In the beginning, the dog is behind. The master is forward. After a few steps, the dog is before the master. The dog, Indriyas. desire. Or before this master, he becomes a slave to that dog. Situation changes. See what a beautiful knowledge you are getting just by taking your dog to a walk. You need to understand, I'm not saying that's wrong action, but you need to understand this is how I'm being driven by these indriyas, brashta. So with the help of Mahakameshwari and with the anugraha of the knowledge from Mahavajreshwari, you become a drashta, just a seer. You go to a movie, the things are happening, the villain is trying to kill the hero. Are you going to get up from the seat and then trying to kill the villain? You don't, because you know that it is a drama. In the same way, the Mahavajreshwari Devata gives you knowledge that the whole life incidents is like a movie. And all you have to do is watch, enjoy. The pilot says, tie your belt, relax, enjoy the flight. There's one mantra if you want to develop this witness attitude. So every day, you need to take some akshatas in your hand, put some water, and drop the akshatas between the ring finger and the middle finger into a plate along with the water. Ita purvam pranabuddhi deha dharma adhikaratah jagrat swapna sushupti avastasu manasa vacha karmana hastabhyam padbhyam udarena sisna yonya yasmrutam yaduktam yatkrutam tatsarvam brahmarpanam bhavatu swaha. Amma, because of the illusion created by you, I might have done so many karma. All I need is no more stage of doing this karma and karma and karma. Free me from this karmic cycle. If you do that, then you get the great knowledge of being a witness. That is sattvic knowledge. And this witness attitude takes you to the Nirvana Sukta. Na karmana na praja. Mind will be happy even if you don't do anything. You don't plan for the future. Na praja. You don't need people around you always. Because Vishwagarbha Swarnagarbha. You have the whole universe inside you. You are enjoying the greatest bliss of Universal Mother. And then comes Mahabhagamalini. When you are a drashta, you enjoy the great power of Mahabhaga. Bhaga means creation. Bhaga means Surya. There are so many meanings. Mahabhagamalini. Who is she? You can't even look at sun at noontime. She is wearing a garland of suns, Mahabhagas. They say the sun you are looking at is not the real sun. The real sun is somewhere else. There are so many suns. Nobody knows. Let us imagine the universe as a vast universe. And she is having the garland of sun. Pranashakti. That's where I understand. She is the power of Pranashakti in both dynamic and static objects. That is Mahabhagamalini. She is the greatest creator, creating the thoughts, creating the karmas, creating the jivas, creating the anubhavas. How many creations she is doing?